Hi, my name is Gloria. I'm from Glorious Baking. I probably sent you this video because I want you to be able to get the most out of your cake and also get the best slices out of your cake. So this is just a quick video on how to properly cut your cake, whether the size, if it's a 6-inch or a 10-inch, 12-inch, 2-tier, whatever it is, this is how you cut it. So as you can see, I've already started taking off all of the decorations that are not edible. These are purely just decorations. I will let you know if you need to take them off when I deliver it. So first we're going to do one slice. For whatever reason, I like to call these ribs, but basically we're just going to do them in rows. As you can see, I have one slab of cake here, and then I have a nice little cutting board. So this is a chilled cake, but you could also do this when it is room temperature. That's how I recommend you enjoy your cake. And we have our slab face down. Then I'm just going to cut little slices out of these. So because this is the end piece of the cake, I usually count all 4 of these slices as just 2 servings, just so everybody's still able to get a fair amount of cake and no one feels like they've just gotten mostly frosting. So now we are going to put that onto a plate. So obviously if you were serving this at a party, you would just put that directly onto somebody's plate and move on to the next slice. So this is more of a typical cake slice that I'm showing you right now. It's a bit bigger and it's more even. So we're just going to do the one slab again. As you can see, look how gorgeous that crumb is, by the way. Oh my god. This cake is a lemon and strawberry swirl with a strawberry compote filling, fresh strawberries, and also a lemon strawberry frosting. Gold leaf, roses. This is actually my birthday cake, so I kind of went all out. So as you can see, we have the slab on the board again. As you can see, the top layer fell off a little bit, but it's okay. No one will notice. Then we're just going to do our little slices again. This will give you 4 servings, and they are the perfect size. Some people even like to cut those in half, so then you get 8 slices. Personally, I just like to do 4, but if you have a party or if you have a set of people who don't really like cake, but they just want to still be able to enjoy it, definitely do that. So that is your tutorial. Please let me know what you think, and I hope you enjoy your cake. When you get a moment, please leave a review on what you think of your cake on either my Google business or on Nextdoor. It would help me a lot. Thank you so much. Enjoy.